Hey YouTube, what's going on? It is Tuesday night and we are experiencing one hell of a run-up. I have not seen a run-up since like this, I would say, since 2017. And everybody knows how 2017 ended up. So could this be an April Fool's joke? Or is this actually for real? Well, let's go ahead and do analysis. I think tonight, since Bitcoin's been up about $5,000, I'm going to go ahead and do analysis on Bitcoin tonight, Ethereum, XRP, and Litecoin. Everything across the board is green. I mean, literally almost everything. Of course, you're always going to have one or two that are red, but for the most part, guys, everything looks amazing. Let's go ahead and start with Litecoin. Wow, look at this, guys. We've moved Litecoin back into the number 4 spot on the coin market cap. We got a market cap of $4.885 billion. We are currently at $79.87. Guys, we hit over $80, $82 for Litecoin today, which is totally amazing. And I do have to confess, I had 1.5 Litecoin yesterday or the day before yesterday, and something told me to put it, I converted all of it into Ethereum, and so now I've got a full Ethereum coin, and let me tell you, I'm glad I did. I'll go ahead and get into that in a minute. But with Litecoin, I will be adding more though. I'll let you know when. We're up 22%. That is crazy, guys. I mean, you just don't see run-ups like this. I can't remember, besides 2017, the last time we ran this high. I mean, this is just literally amazing. Let's see what the 24-hour chart for Litecoin looks like. Look at that. Yeah. Kind of flat most part of the day. And right around here, this is when you had your big run-up. See, I think this is going to be your low point. It looks like for Litecoin, we had a low of $65.99. And boy, it shot all the way up to $82.12. $82.94, guys. Looks like that's going to be your high. And $65.99 is going to be your low. But you can see a lot of consolidation here. And then all of a sudden it just spiked up. And some people are saying apparently there was a whale that placed an order by accident, from what I read on Google. I don't know how true this is. But a whale placed an order for Bitcoin for some, I think it was either, I want to say it was either a mistake. They didn't mean to place the order, and they must have tried to purchase a lot at one time, and I think that's what might have started the rally. But me personally, I think a lot of this is going on because we've seen a lot of stability in Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been holding a price real steady at $4,000, and a lot of these coins have been consolidating for the last couple of weeks with not a lot of volume, not a lot of movement. So when you see that happening, you know something big is coming up. So I don't really think this was a whale. I don't think it's an April Fool's joke. I just think it's a lot of, you know, just reaction to this stable market we've been in. You know, it was bound to pop. Now, we all know, too, when they run up big time like this, I don't mean to sound like a negative Nelly, but we are going to have a pullback. Pullbacks are normal, and it'll just give us more room to grow on the next run. But let's go ahead and get into the next coin. But Litecoin is looking really good, guys. Looking really good. I plan on picking some more up in the next day or so. Okay. XRP is looking fabulous too. We're in the number 3 spot at $14.54 billion at 34 cents, guys. 34 cents. So We got up to about 36, I want to say, today. We'll look at the 24-hour in a minute. But, I mean, XRP is looking fabulous. If we can keep this momentum going, I can see XRP hitting at least 40 cents soon. Then I will definitely plan on picking up some more. Right now, XRP is up 6.44%. And let's go ahead and take a look at your 24-hour chart. And your 24-hour chart is looking pretty darn good. Yeah, look at that, guys. Pretty much the same thing as Litecoin. Just a lot of ping pong, a lot of back and forth, a lot of consolidation going on. Oh, sorry, my mouse froze. There we go. Hold on. Okay. And then right around in this area here is when you really started to spike. And for XRP, our high today, if I can get it to move again, would be great. I want to say our high today was 36.8, so almost 37 cents, guys. I mean, we're doing really well right now. We had a little bit of a dip. We started to retrace back down again. We went down to about 34 cents. So, you know, the market is starting to correct itself a little bit. But, I mean, I would see a little bit more of a push up. And then I think in the next few days, things are going to start to settle back down again. As you all know, this is a huge, huge run up. Some coins are up 15 to 20%. So you can expect to see a little bit of a decrease. But don't be alarmed. It's all natural. It's all expected. So, but you know, just a lot of ping pong, a lot of consolidation for XRP. You had a few spikes here and there. Let's see, the low for today. I'm going to call today's low 0.327. I might be a little wrong, but... And then 365, let's see, this is... 368 is going to be your high, 36 cents is going to be your high. So XRP is looking great, guys. You see all that volume down there. It's looking really good. We're finally starting to move. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum, the one I'm in right now. What I did was I basically consolidated, or I just converted all the coins I had into one Ethereum, which I'm really glad I did. Because right now, Ethereum is looking fabulous. You're in the number 2 spot. We got a 17.485 billion market cap. We're at 165.74 a coin. As I said earlier, about an hour or two ago, it was about 175, 177, but it's since pulled back a little bit. And we are up right now at about 11.02%, which is great. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 24-hour chart. You can see all the charts look basically the same. And there's a special tonight. Again, we're going to go ahead and do Bitcoin too. I think I'm going to start adding Bitcoin into the mix. So if you guys don't mind, I'm going to start doing 4 coins a night. Let's see how Bitcoin's 24-hour chart's looking. Basically the same, guys. Look at that. That is the same pattern almost as the previous 3 coins. Amazing. Basically the same pattern. A lot of ping pong at the first part of the day. A lot of back and forth. I'm going to call your low for Bitcoin is going to be actually Ethereum 149.61. That's what we started out at the beginning of the day. And just a lot of consolidation for a good part of the day. Bumped up to about 159.20. Retraced back down a little bit. Went back up to 160. And right around here is where it all happened. We got up to about 174. 174, but I know we actually got up to about 177, guys. But it's starting to retrace down a little bit again. 164, 165, 166 area. I think tomorrow, personally, if the momentum doesn't continue, I think we're probably going to be back down in the 145 to 150-ish range tomorrow. That's just going off of history. That's my guess. I'm hoping I'm wrong. I hope when I wake up in the morning, I see Ethereum's at $200. But, you know, only time will tell. But let's go ahead and see what the king of the alts look like. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is looking really good. It's got a market cap of 86,829,000. You're in the number one spot as usual. 4,927.75, and you're up, let's see, 6.66%. And you got a, let's see the 24-hour chart. Let's see, there we go. And your 24 hours looking pretty good for Bitcoin. Basically a lot of consolidation first part of the day, a lot of back and forth ping pong. And your low for Bitcoin is going to be, I'd say right around in here. Yeah, about 4,000, see, 4,336.37. Your high, 5,041. So you made some money today. Then you kind of retrace back down again. But guys, just a tremendous amount of volume. I'll get into that here. But Bitcoin's looking really good. And let's see. Your volume, guys, is market cap total is 171 bill. Total volume is at 82 billion 190, if I'm reading that right. And get this, guys, Bitcoin dominance is only 50.7. So that's why a lot of your alts are in like almost double. I mean, percentage-wise, they're almost all in double figures. I mean, that's just amazing. I mean, what a really good day. If we had a few more good days like this, I could see Ethereum hitting $200 or $300. I mean, it's looking really good. So let's hope this momentum. We're going to look in the news here. We'll go ahead and take a look at this one real quick. This one right here. Let's do this one with Ethereum price. One quick news note, and then we'll go ahead and end it. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Okay, let me. There we go. Ethereum price prediction, ETH USD needs to break down $170 for greater upside, which it already did. We got up to a high of 177 today. Confluence detector. If I can get this mouse to quit freezing up, that would be great. Ethereum price on Tuesday holding chunky gains of around 11% in the later part of trading, flirting around the 160 price mark. At the time of writing, a decent rally was seen across the market as a kick back into the bulls. ETH upside was somewhat capped by a big area of supply, which was seen on the early part of $170 territory. The price faced a big rejection on the 24th of February. This is the last major until potential reclaim of $200 territory. Looking via the daily Confluence Director, firstly, the barriers of resistance 175, which it is about we got a resistance about 175 to 177. Pivot resistance downside 162.20. Weekly pivot support of 160 daily. So I would like to see Ethereum start gaining support of about 160 to 165. If we can break that barrier, guys, I think we could be well on our way to the 170 mark again, maybe even the $200 mark. But yeah, look at this, guys. This looks really great. Well, guys, I'm going to end on another note. As I've said before, I'm going to try to figure out how to do the uploading of my advertising for Trezor. But if you ever want to get your crypto started on a hard wallet, I would check out Trezor, especially their Model T. It's a really amazing device. You can put all your crypto, you can get it off the internet. It'll make it safe and secure. And if you're a dumbbell like me who has to, convert it every 5 seconds, and you start finding yourself losing money, the best thing for you to do would be to get a Trezor. That is the best option for you. It'll make you think twice about wanting to spend that money. Well, guys, this is Crypto Vision, Jason Minky signing off. Have a great Tuesday evening going into Wednesday. Peace out.